Okay, the glass noodles, made from sweet potato starch, looks fantastic and tastes fantastic. And if you can't get a hand of the noodles, then just substitute it with chow mein. Any veggies you like in your stir fry. I chose mine to be bell pepper, onion, and broccoli. Cut top and bottom, spread it, then remove the walls. Slice them thinly and set them aside. Now broccoli is super healthy. I'm not gonna use the whole head, just a few florets of it. And some ginger to spice it up. Heat oil in a pan and add in the veggies. I like my onions to be caramelized, so I put it early on. And my broccoli will take more time to cook than others, so in it goes from the start. Add chickens. Peppers. And glass noodle that's been boiled for 5 minutes and cooled. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and lime juice to finish off. Add lime juice in the end, or else they will just turn bitter, not zingy and pleasantly sour. So that's important to remember. So there goes your superb stir fry, and have a great day.